Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see some things that makes your MIUI experience, like the MIUI smartphone experience, good. So yeah, we are going to take a look on it. So guys, let's begin. Okay, so guys, the first in the list is the control center, the newly implemented control center in the MIUI 12. This is the control center what you get. This is like the iOS 1 control center, similar to iOS 1 as you know. So yeah, this just feels great. The MIUI control center, this is how you get the Wi-Fi, and when you click on here, this is what you get. Many of you just know the MIUI control center, so I will just not extend it. So I just wanted to tell you that yeah, MIUI control center is just great in the MIUI, that makes your smartphone experience actually great. So yeah, then moving forward, the second feature here, the private album feature. Like when you go to the gallery app and in the albums, when you swipe and hold down, it will show you the private folder. You can set your password here, and also you can unlock it with the fingerprint. So as you can see, so currently there are no photos in the private album, but you can add the photos into the private album. Like just select the photo and click on add to album. Now select the private album, and now this will add your photo to the private album, but you have to sync your gallery first with the Mi Cloud. So yeah, this is what I don't want to do. I don't want my data on the Mi Cloud. So this is a feature available in the gallery as well as in the file manager also. In the file manager, this is when you press and hold down, then here also you can set your password and also unlock with the fingerprint, and you can add your files here. So yeah, this is the private album. This is the feature which is underrated and many of you just don't know. So yeah, this is the feature available in MIUI. This is available since MIUI 8 or 9. So yeah, then moving forward to the another feature here is the battery settings. When you go to the settings in the battery and performance, there you go in the settings here. This is the option clear cache when device is locked. So this is also a great option here. As soon as you lock your device, it will clear all your cache, and you can set your time in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes or in 30 minutes, and you can also set it to never. I had selected the 5 minutes. So as soon as I lock my phone, and after 5 minutes all the cache will be cleared from the phone. So yeah, this is a great option. Yeah, that is great. And there is another option in the battery settings. This is the schedule power on off, when your device will power on and when your device will on. So you can set the power on time like 7 a.m. every day, and power off time like 11:30 a.m. 11:30 p.m. every day. So yeah, you can turn your phone off and on the selected, so you can schedule the power on off time. This is also a great option. Okay, then moving forward to the next feature here is the quick dial. When you go to the dialer app, the MIUI dialer app, then up here there is a setting option. When you go to the settings, you get then in the advanced settings you get this option quick dial. This is the feature most of you are not knowing. When you go to the quick dial, you can add any number in the option, and for example I have added this number here, and when I press and hold on that number, then it will directly call to the person that you have set the number to. So yeah, this is also a great feature available here. Okay, then moving forward, the next feature here is the hide apps feature. This you get in the MIUI also, MIUI launch system launcher also, and in the Poco launcher also. Here I am using the Poco X2. So I have the Poco launcher, and in the Poco launcher, when you double swipe on the right side, then you get to see the hidden field. Yeah, here you can set the hidden apps, like you can add from here. For example, if I want the YouTube Studio to be hidden, then just select the YouTube Studio and click on this. Now the YouTube Studio will be hidden. So this is a great option, like that you can hide apps. So yeah, that is great. Then moving forward to the next feature is the Okay, so guys, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and there will be the name of the Telegram group here. You can join the Telegram group and the link will be in the description below, so join the Telegram group if you still haven't joined it. Video toolbox, the video toolbox is available in the settings and the special features, and this is the video toolbox available. So you can just turn it on for the specific apps, like I have turned for the gallery, MX player and YouTube. So I'll just go to the gallery here. As you can see, this line here is available. From that, just swipe left and this is the video toolbox available here, and you can just screen off the screen while playing some video. This is very helpful feature in YouTube when you want to hear songs and don't want to drain much battery here. So yeah, this is something great feature. Then you can cast the screenshot, and you can also record it. You can also open some apps, like I want to open Chrome, then it will open in the floating window. So this is a great option here, and so yeah, this is great. Themes here, this theme feature on the MIUI here is just great. This is the themes app you get in the MIUI, and I just have to turn on the internet. There are so many tons of themes available here. Then you get to see all these wallpapers here, then you get to see the ringtones, these styles, the fonts, and in the my page you can also customize the theme. Like I have selected the icon pack to Oxygen OS. You can also set the default dial pad. Then you can select the lock style, whatever the lock style you want you can select. So this is a good feature. This is full, so MIUI is fully customizable. UI, you can customize the UI very easily. So yeah, that's great. So yeah, this is something great. The theme app on the MIUI is just great. You can customize the phone very easily. So you don't have to download the icon packs from the Play Store or anything. Okay, then moving forward to the next feature is the animations here. Like the animations in the MIUI just enhances the user experience here. Like these animations, when you go to the about phone, this is the storage space it shows, and as you can see, like the water one, this is how it shows the storage. And there are many more animations, like the app closing animations, the unlocking animations. This is not available in the Poco phone, like the Poco launcher just don't support it, but those who are having the Redmi series phones will get, and or Mi series phones, they are using these gestures and animations. So the animations are just great on the MIUI, just feels like iOS 1. So the unlocking animations and everything is just great. If you are having a Redmi series phone, then you are lucky. Okay, then moving forward to the next feature here is the clear speaker one. So many of the users will have this feature in the settings available, but in some Xiaomi phones it is not available directly in the settings. You have to find it. So this is the app Activity Launcher. You can download it from the Play Store. Then go to the search bar, then search speaker. Then in the speaker, just click on this and you will get to see this option clear speaker. And when you turn it on, this will sound. This is how it will sound, and this will clear all the dust from your speaker. So yeah, this is also a great feature available. Many of you just don't know this feature also. I just wanted to tell you that this feature is also available, so you can clear your speaker if you have dust stuck in your speaker. So yeah, you can just clear it out. Yeah, that was it. These were the features that increase, like that makes your MIUI experience great. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.